the village elders, landowners, members of the Nacilau Youth Club, community members, ladies, gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. It brings me great pleasure to be here today and being received in your beautiful Nacilau settlement to hand over the youth farm project tools and materials. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge the landowners that have agreed to allocate land for the Nacilau youth group. Can we all put our hands together and thank the landowners? I appreciate your immense generosity and contribution towards the rebuilding the social and economic well-being of your communities and ultimately the country at large. These youths have been engaged now in development activities here in this settlement. And I wish to congratulate these youths who are the successful recipients of the youth grant they will be receiving this afternoon. My ministry is building its capacity in order to address youth issues and retain our youths in the rural areas. And this is an area of challenge that we are turning into areas of opportunity. And this is one good example. The current pandemic has provided an opportunity for all stakeholders in this area to pause and reflect on plans for economic and community development, such as yours, in your local areas, rather than rushing off to towns and cities. My friends, now more than ever, our youths will have to deal with the long-term effects of this pandemic. But the key here is not to panic in this pandemic. In fact, what we need to do is to continue to move ahead and rethink how we can do things. Definitely, we will have to do things differently now of what we were doing before COVID-19. And my ministry is happy to be part of your development in your new journey. We wish to see the growth and success of our assistance that we're going to provide and to see the youths leading the way in community development activities. This is just the beginning. We are planting seeds of success, and I'm confident that your progress will advance with time. Today's event, ladies and gentlemen, and the achievement is a partnership between my ministry, your village community, and your youth club. That means that your success means we all succeed collectively. As the Minister for Youth and Sports, I would like to extend my appreciation and acknowledgement for the support from the other government stakeholders, and in particular the Ministry of Agriculture for providing the vegetable seedlings. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I now launch the Nacilau Youth Farm Project. Naka.
Set.